So I just got back from the grocery store and I feel like I hit the jackpot. I found peonies. I've never seen these in a grocery store. Maybe I don't get out enough. I'm curious if they're in your stores too, but I found them at Trader Joe's and nobody was buying them. Probably because they look like this and are super intimidating because it doesn't look like it's blooming, but this is how it's supposed to look. First thing I recommend doing is cutting at an angle to help with water absorption and then removing additional foliage so the water is just really focused on opening up the bloom. If it's really not looking like it's opening up, take some warm water, not hot and not cold, and you will stick it in upside down and start spinning for about a minute. This gets off the sticky sap and just helps that bloom open up and just really encourages it to start looking beautiful. Okay, let's see how this is looking. You can see some of these petals are starting to loosen a bit. See, that's loose. Before it wasn't like that. If it's still really tight, another thing you can do, which a lot of florists do, and it looks a little scary, but I promise it's not, these are pretty durable, is you whack it on your counter. So you can give it a few whacks and that'll help just really loosen it up. So this is looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a vase with warm water. Again, just to help encourage that bloom to open. I would give it about 4 hours and then it should be looking like picture perfect for an event. So yeah, let's do it again. So again, take off the extra foliage. You can do this in whatever steps you want. Cut at an angle. I like to cut above these little areas to help with water absorption. And then we clean off the petals. Give it a couple spins. That one's looking great. Whack it. And there you go. There's one more. I'm so excited to see these. I love peonies and I hardly ever have a chance to work with them unless I make a special order. That one's already opening and I don't know if I'm gonna give this one a whack. These are gonna be gorgeous. Very excited. Here's the arrangement I made and you can see shortly after the peonies really started to open up.